What if I told you that the key to achieving the perfect seared steak lies in patience, precision, and a dash of creativity? Have you ever wondered what makes a seared steak truly exceptional? Well, let's find out. But before we dive into the sizzling action, picture this. You're in your kitchen, eagerly awaiting a culinary adventure that will leave your taste buds dancing with delight. The anticipation is building, just like the heat in our pan. But hold on. Before we go any further, let's talk about the star of the show, the steak. It's crucial to let it sit outside the fridge for at least 10 to 15 minutes to reach room temperature. This allows the seasoning to meld beautifully with the meat. Speaking of seasoning, don't be shy with it. Apply a generous coat of your favorite seasoning mix, as some of it will be lost during the searing process. As you wait for the pan to reach the perfect searing temperature, take a moment to admire your steak. Observe the marbling of fat, the bone, and how the seasoning clings to it. Now, let's get that pan sizzling hot, and I mean piping hot. With the pan heated to perfection, add a touch of oil and carefully lay your steak away from you to prevent any splatters. The magic begins as the sizzling sound fills the kitchen. The steak's surface undergoes a stunning transformation as it caramelizes, forming a beautiful crust. But here's the secret: patience. Don't rush it. Let the steak sear undisturbed, allowing that caramelization to work its magic. Sprinkle in some fresh herbs like thyme to infuse your steak with aromatic flavors. Once you see that crust forming, it's time to flip it over. But remember, we're not in a hurry here. Turn down the heat slightly to let the other side catch up. Press down gently with your tongs, using the pan's base for optimal contact. Just look at that crust. Now, as we savor the sight of that beautifully seared steak, let's talk about the importance of basting. Basting with butter is a crucial step in elevating your steak game, but timing is everything. Don't add the butter too early. It could burn. Instead, wait until you're about to finish searing to introduce the butter. Turn down the heat and baste the steak with melted butter, letting the rich flavors envelop it. This process not only adds depth to the taste, but also enhances the steak's succulence. As your steak rests in the pan, occasionally baste it every few minutes to ensure it's soaking up all that exquisite flavor. Patience pays off, and you'll soon reap the rewards. Now let's take a brief pause from the steak to whip up a quick and vibrant chimichurri sauce. It all starts with a sweet shallot, finely chopped. Combine it with fresh herbs like mint, cilantro, and oregano, chopping them just enough to release their fragrant goodness. We want the herbs to shine, not be obliterated. Season your mixture with salt, pepper, and grated garlic to add depth and aroma. A touch of smoked paprika and red wine vinegar will give it that signature kick. Finish it off with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice for that bright, zesty touch. Your masterpiece is nearly complete. Drizzle that vibrant chimichurri sauce over the steak, allowing it to cascade down, creating a stunning visual and taste sensation. It's a symphony of flavors, a dance of textures, and a culinary journey that's as delightful to the eyes as it is to the palate. And there you have it, a perfectly seared steak and a vibrant chimichurri sauce that come together to create an unforgettable dining experience. With that said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, see ya!